Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic, wealth creation. If you want financial security, freedom and a prosperous future, this video is for you. So come on, let's get started. Wealth creation is fundamentally about transforming labor, raw materials, and capital into something more valuable. For example, a forester who invests time and seeds to plant trees enhances the land's utility, converting empty space into a resource-rich area. This process generates wealth by making the land more productive. Similarly, when someone harvests those trees to produce lumber, they further enhance its usefulness, thereby creating additional wealth. The same principles applies across various activities, like cooking a meal adds value to raw ingredients, and developing software turns ideas into functional tools, both contributing to wealth creation. Money in this context is merely a facilitator, enabling and supporting the process of making resources more valuable. Here's why wealth creation is a must for everyone. Number one, it secures your future. It ensures financial stability for important milestones like retirement, education, or emergencies. Secondly, it prepares you for uncertainty. Unexpected expenses, no worries. Wealth creation keeps you financially secure. Thirdly, improves your lifestyle. Want to travel, enjoy hobbies, or have a comfortable life? A good wealth plan makes it happen very easily. Well, building a legacy. Your hard-earned wealth can be passed down to your future generations. Choosing the right investment option for wealth creation depends on the time frame of your financial objectives. A well-structured investment plan should align with your goal and can help you optimize your returns. For instance, long-term goals like retirement provide ample time to take advantage of high-risk investment strategies. On the other hand, short to mid-term goals, such as purchasing a house, require funds within a shorter period, necessitating a more balanced and less risky approach. By aligning your investments with your financial goals and their respective time horizon, you can create a well-diversified and efficient wealth-building strategy. Here are some of the basic rules to grow your wealth. Start early. The sooner you invest, the more benefit you gain from compounding. Be consistent. Small regular investments like SIP add up over time. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix equity, debt, and other investments. And most importantly, stay disciplined. Avoid panic selling during market fluctuations. Beware of these common pitfalls. Instant gratification. One should avoid unnecessary spending and focus on long-term goals. Market volatility. Stay patient and stick to your plan despite market ups and downs. Lack of financial knowledge. Keep learning about investments and seek expert advice whenever necessary. Over-leveraging. Avoid excessive debt. Always assess risks before investing. Wealth creation is a journey, not a sprint. With smart planning, discipline, and patience, you can build yourself a secure financial future. Start today and take charge of your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such financial tips. For more such information, you can visit smiths.com. See you in the next one. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.